All right, I'm here on the pipeline. It's an early Saturday morning. You might hear the rain dropping here on my truck, but nobody's here right now. So I'm gonna make this quick video. Someone asked me, how do you find the circumference of a circle? And the formula is very easy. The formula is diameter times pi, and pi is 3.14. Say for instance, we're working on this 36-inch pipeline, and we wanna know the circumference of it. So you take 36 times 3.14, and 36 times 3.14 is 113. So it's 113 inches around the circumference of this pipe. That's easy. But you'll see a lot of videos, they say, hey, it's pi times radius times 2. It doesn't make no sense to me. We know that the radius of a 36-inch piece of pipe is 18. So to find the radius, you just divide by 2. So why are you dividing by 2 and then multiplying by 2 again to come back up with 36? It doesn't make no sense to me, but some people do it that way. They take the diameter, which is 36, they divide it by 2 to come up with 18, then multiply it by 2 to get 36 again. I don't know. It's just the way some people do something. If I give you $1 and I tell you to give me half of it back, only thing you got to do is take the $1 and divide by 2 to come up with 50 cents. Why take that $1 and multiply it by 2 and then divide it by 4 to come up with 50 cents? That's strange to me, but I don't know. That's the way some people do things. You know, I ain't got time. I got to get to the point. I got to go. I got to enjoy life. I ain't got time to be multiplying, dividing, multiply, dividing, then come up with the same number. Silly to me. But anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. Like I said, the circumference of a circle, the formula is pi times diameter, or diameter times pi. Simple as that. All right, I'm going to leave y'all with this quote, and I'll let you go. This is a quote by Abraham Lincoln. His advisor told him one day, they told him, hey, we don't think it's safe for you to go out today. And Abraham Lincoln looked at his advisor, and he said, by the hands of a murderer, I can die only once. But to go through life every day with fear, I must die over and over and over again. And yes, fear will kill people. But I know all of this coronavirus stuff is going on. And the best thing to do is just separate yourself, like they said, just separate for a little while until all of this stuff start clearing up. You know, once it's cleared up, go and enjoy your life. But during the meantime, I know you're stuck in the house. Maybe you can subscribe to my channel and you can learn a lot of stuff. I got stuff on how to cook collard greens, how to cook turkey legs, how to fry ribs, and all kind of stuff. You can look at my food truck, how to do a lot of things. So this channel is probably very helpful for a lot of people. And a lot of people out there who are becoming CWIs or want to become a certified welding inspector, just look at some of my videos, and I got them in different groups. So you can just log on to my channel and you can just go through my tags, all my different tags. I got some that's labeled my food truck, CWIs, how to do things on computers. It's just a lot of helpful stuff. So on this downtime of this 2-3 weeks, however long it takes to clear up this coronavirus, subscribe to my channel and share this video and share the rest of my videos and enjoy your day. Thank you again and have a great day.